Hello YouTube, as you all know, the person you are talking to or you are listening to is Mpumeleli Zimba, all the way from True Levens Records. Okay guys, today I'm here with another video and I'm ready and I have an hunger to show you guys how to create your own magazine cover. So first of all guys, when you create a magazine cover, the first thing you need to know is your cover must have someone who is very famous or very beautiful, and your cover must be in a great, I don't know how I can say it, but every time you see a magazine you always notice that the cover is there to catch people. They say, oh, this lady is in the cover. I really would like to hear about this lady. When the cover is about Pumelele, there's a Pumelele on the cover, I will say, yeah. Pumelele is one of the best photo editors. I would like to know about the nigga. So anytime guys, when you make your own, when you make yourself a magazine cover, so you need to make sure the person who you have choose to be on the cover of your magazine, you go to take photos, maybe go to any studio, any camera studio, take photos and choose the best photo. And most of the time the magazine cover, um they are using green screen effects, such a way the background will be blue, white, purple. But today guys, I'm not here to do any green screen. The cover of magazine will be this lady, and I will put a list for headlines, of which is the headline of this lady, another headline, and then last headline. So I will put four headline, then I put the name of the magazine. So first step guys is to come with the name of the magazine, and the name of your magazine must try you must try to care to people. I don't know. Okay, the name of the magazine, and people must understand from the name of the magazine what the magazine is about. Like when you go to a store and you see the People magazine, when you buy the People magazine, you don't expect any car from magazine, because the only thing that you expect are people. So here can be, let's say, livable life model, mm, the stars. Okay, the name of the magazine is there, the stars. So the stars is the name of our magazine, and we must choose a cool font, because the name of magazine must be bold and very big. So most of the time there is usually the small letter, then the another name become the have the larger font compared to like the drama magazine. There's so much, there are a lot of magazine out there guys. So now what we'll do is to do, okay, change the size here. When we change the size, you can notice that there is big, then increase here, increase this side, increase, try to put it to the corner, and let's just make it stars. Let's just remove there and make it stars magazine. So now we'll change the color and try to make a color to match with the background. So this doesn't match. Stars, yeah, it seems great. It's pretty great to me. So we did put stars. Then sorry. Then we go to our next step, of which we go to our first. Okay, this lady is a cam model, one of the best known cam model. So now we can change the phone. We cannot use gigaphone anymore. Change 30. Let's try 40. Then decrease here. Then you can here, then try to put it here. Even now it is still in the big font. Let's try to decrease steady is great. So let's put it in the corner. Do you see? Then change, and then change so that people can quickly see what the magazine is about. They say it's not very clear. Then we have to change the position. Which color can be? Okay, let's try black. Let's try black. And I want to put it around this area. Let's black. When we deal about black, we have to get it down. We have to get it down. Okay, it's pretty great there. Only since that Maria, no, the name is spelled wrong. It's supposed to be Maria. Yeah. So then what we can do in our next video, what we can do now in this video is to put our second headline. And guys, those people are very clever who edit magazine. Sometimes you will find out that the last letter, the last letter and the first letter have their own type of color. Then TAR, they share the same color. But I like it when it's like this. Then guys, we go to our next headline. We put it and decrease the size, and now we hit 25 or 30. Then we try to make it to be taller, to be a bit taller. Good, and click bold. We can change. I would say that I won't see it. Then much better. I can put it on this corner. So but this headline is very long. This headline is very long. Let's take this one. So one of the best labels in the world now. Well, yeah. We hit 30. We hit another phone. Much better. This one is much better. It's greater than there. But then we put it in the corner. So someone who likes True Levin's record will say, oh, also True Levin's record is the best in its own style. So some of the people will also go to buy the magazine only to check what True Levin's records got and what make it different from other record labels. Under record labels like Rock Nation, Mbala Noise, Maybach Music, Sun Records, RP Records. There's so many record labels, and then we hit here. Then I got you. They say now, they say Mpumeleli Zimba. Now they put me in the stage. They say Mpumeleli Zimba brought the Bentley, of which that is a lie. I don't afford to buy Bentley, of which this is a lie, guys. I don't afford to buy Bentley. A black person don't buy Bentley. I'm black, so I don't buy the Bentley, and I'll never buy the Bentley. So put it up there. Select. You can make it both. So this will be the last topic, of which is very long, and like we have to omit the topic when it's long, just like that. Another one of the topic we just remove there. Let's say 20. Much better. So Mpumeleli Zimba brought a new Bentley thanks to my YouTube fans for showing some love. And some of people, the people who know Mpumeleli, just like the one watching, say, "Oh, the guy on YouTube who you make who edit photo is just pro the Bentley. Let me go to check out the nigga how he managed to buy a Bentley." But don't forget, guys, I'm black. I'll never buy the Bentley. I don't afford the Bentley. G. This is just an example. So some of the people go and try to check this lady, of which she's a model, and say, "Oh, okay, K model. Let me go and check out this K model." So now what we can put on our eyes is this word perfect. It's great. It's super great. So, guys, this is how you create the magazine cover. But it seems as the picture I am using is very small, and I didn't notice that 600 times 500 pixels. Yeah, it is very small pictures. So such a way I cannot edit some of the topics, just like I did omit the second topic, or I did omit the second topic to win the gold to win a gold disc. An album needs to sell 100,000 copies in South Africa, and Liga LC sold 500,000 within 24 hours. That means this dude is very clever, such a way he managed to sell 5 golds within 24 hours. Then we can say 24 hours divided by 5. So we can find out plus minus 4 hours. He sold 100,000 copies in 4 hours. Then another 4 hours plus minus 4 hours, 30 minutes, 5 hours. He then sold another 100,000 copies again and again until he raised the 5,000 copies within a day. So, which means his album is pretty great. And that means this person can sell billion copies within a year. If a day he can make it 500,000 copies, that means in a week he will sell 3 million copies. In 1 month, which is 36912, it will be he'll sell 12 million copies. So 10 20, that means it will take plus minus 8 months for Lea LC to sell 1 billion copies. And then so the people who love music will go, and even those famous people, Justin Bieber, Justin Timberlake, um, J. Cole, Kendrick Lamar, will like to buy the magazine because they will like, oh, this guy sold 500,000 copies within 24 hours. So how did the person did that? And you know that every artist out there got a magical deal. It's either is Universal Studios, Sony Music Entertainment, what's another big major label? Universal Studios, Sony Entertainment. Hmm, I forgot the last one. But we have a big, but we have big three major labels, of which you can be signed in Rock Nation, then have a major label in Universal Studios, in Sony Entertainment. Oh, I'll just forget the last. So, so that means uh, this lady is a star, which means this guy is a star. Then we go to a second taker, which is True Level Records is the best in its own, which means the people who own the record label or the artists in this record label are the stars. And at our last topic, the same thing, of which Bumeleli Zimba is a star. So guys, this is how you create your own news, your own magazine cover. So guys, let's go here. This is one of the South African rappers, one of the South African best rappers, better known by his stage name Questa. So the man of the moment, Questa, and Questa, you can clearly see Questa. This is Questa, and this guy is Questa. Can you see? As I said that in most album covers, you will find out there is a green screen. So the background of the nigga is red. Understand? And I hope you notice that the name of the person who appear on the cover, the name of the person must also appear so the people can know this is Questa, because there are many people out there who act like celebrities. Then the best in SA style. So the nigga, there's this this plus yellow thing, which means this covers the name quest that go with this. So the nigga is the best in SA style. That means when we talk about style, he is the best. Then we go again here. Heavy K, Lord Love, Dallas, Short, all the artists. Those are also some of the artists in South Africa. Heavy K and Dallas. So here the person who edited magazine, he decided to also put those people. So which means those are also artists in South Africa. Then which is one the best, second headline, and this is a third headline. Then we also have lights up our annual South African issue. That means then here we are introduced to the Gentleman's Quarterly. Oh, okay, the name of the magazine is Gentleman's Quarterly. So this is the name of the magazine. It is shown as GQ. Then the magazine, you can name the price of which is 53 rand in South Africa, value added tax. So this magazine in USA, in the United States of America, now, right now, I don't know, in future, the magazine will be $1, $1 American, one US dollar, because $1 is equal to 53 rands in South Africa. of which 53 rands you can use is to buy 5 bread, 5 bread and 3 lollipops with the 50 rand. So I really don't know nothing about the US dollar. Don't know why with $1 what you can buy. So that means, guys, in your magazine you can also add the value added tag. You add the price of the magazine. And guys, I also found out we can also use, there's no need for us to, they say, guys, I did told that those people in the first, this S and this S can have its own color, and what I just said is just what has happened here. G got its own color, also Q got his own color. Then, guys, South Africa issue got another color. That means we can change this color, try to put another color. And when we look to those markers in this magazine, they decided to put bright, they decided to put bright colors, which yellow is one of the bright colors, red, yellow and red. So we can also choose any 2 colors which we can put, guys. So this will be the cover of my magazine. So what else I can say? Thank you guys a lot for watching. Thank you a lot for watching. You all mean a lot. Save for the web, if you got a web view, of which view you can also do viewing here, this corner. Get image from webcam. Hey, never mind. Okay, guys, thank you for a lot for watching. Thank a lot, guys, for watching. Please share the video if you did like. Don't forget to subscribe if you did like the video, and don't forget to hit that like button if you did like the video. Then that's all, guys, I got for you. Thank you a lot.